Alright guys, I'm going to run down the assignment Z, combining like terms, and I'll try and do this so that we don't waste too much time. Our terms are 19, 6x, 2x. The like terms are 6x and 2x, that's going to be 8x plus 19. You could also have it as 19 plus 8x. Either one of those would be perfectly fine. Number 14. My terms are 14x, 7 and 4. The like terms are 7 and 4. So I'm going to have 14x and 7 plus 4 is 11. You could also have that as 11 plus 14x. On number 5, my terms are 9x, 3, negative 7x, and 4. So I'm going to start by combining 9x and a negative 7x. So 9x plus a negative 7x is the same thing as 9 minus 7, which is going to be 2x. So these are done. Positive 3 and positive 4 is going to be positive 7. You can also have this as 7 plus 2x. Number 6, my terms are 12x, 3x, negative 6, negative 7, f. So 12x and 3x are 15x. And then I don't have any like terms to combine these with, so I'm going to go negative 7f minus 6. Okay. On number 7, my terms are 14x, 7, and negative 3x. 14x combined with negative 3x is the same as 14 minus 3, which is 11x. And then I just have my positive 7, 11x plus 7. Number 8, my terms are 13z, 6u, 8x, 19, negative u. Like terms. I don't have anything that I can combine with 13z, so that's just going to stay 13z. As far as u's are concerned, I've got a 6u minus u. So that's going to be positive 5u. X's, I don't have any other x's, so that's just going to be 8x. And I don't have anything to combine with positive 19. So the simplified version, I have 13z plus 5u plus 8x plus 19. Number 11, my terms are 14y, 13x, 12y, 19x, positive 4. So 14y and 12y are like terms. That's going to give me 26y. I've got a positive 13x and a positive 19x. That's going to be positive 32x. And then the 4, I don't have any like terms to combine that with. I got 26y plus 32x plus 4. Number 12, my terms are 5x, 18, 13y, 12x, 8y. I'm going to combine like terms with x's, so I've got 5x and 12x, that's 17x. Now I'm going to do the y's, so I've got 13y and 8y, that's positive 21y. And then I just have a positive 18 with nothing to combine with, so I get 17x plus 21y plus 18. Number 13, my terms are 21v, 8, negative 12v, negative 7, 3t, and negative t. So remember, whenever there's a negative, if there's nothing out front or it's a positive, you don't include it. If there's a negative in front, you want to include it every single time. If there's a negative to the left, you want to include it. So we did that. Now let's put some of these terms together. So 21v minus 12v. 20 minus 12 would be 8, and there's one more, so I got 9v. Let's look at the t's. The t's we can put together. I've got positive 3 minus 1, so that's positive 2t. and I have a positive 8 minus 7, that's just going to be positive 1. So for 13, I have got 9v plus 2t plus 1. Number 14 are terms. 3t, v, negative t, and 7v. Let's start with 3t minus 1t, that's 2t. And then we have v plus 7v, that's positive 8v. 2t plus 8v. 15, my terms are negative 1, 18x, negative 3y, x, 9y. Let's start with the x's. 18x and one more x would be 19x. Negative 3y combined with a positive 9y is going to be positive 6y. And then that minus 1, there's nothing to combine it with. So I get 19x plus 6y minus 1. Here's the last one that we're going to do today. My terms are 4x, 5x squared, 5x, 10x squared. So the like terms I've got, and I'm going to start out with the x squared because usually that's how we do it in standard form. I've got 5x squared and 10x squared, that's 15x squared. And now I've got 4x and 5x. That's positive 9x. 15x squared plus 9x. That's it for the homework, guys. Good job.